Hello students, I am Rupesh Chaudhary. Today we are going to learn the new topic, the little fir tree. So first we will see the summary of this story. One day a magician Shetty got under a heavy rainfall. एक दिन जादूगर शेट्टी तेज बारिश में फंस गया. He took shelter under a beautiful fir tree. बारिश से बचने के लिए वह एक सुंदर देवदार के पेड़ के नीचे खड़ा हो गया. Being thankful, he asked the fir tree that he would grant its 4 wishes. उसने देवदार पेड़ से कहा कि धन्यवाद के रूप में वह उसकी 4 इच्छाएं पूरी करेगा. So it wished for green leaves like other trees because he did not like his own leaves. उसने चाहा कि उसको सारी पत्तियां बाकी पेड़ों की तरह हरी हो जाए क्योंकि उसे अपनी पत्तियां पसंद नहीं थी. Next morning its wish was granted, but soon a goat ate all the green leaves. अगली सुबह उसकी यह इच्छा पूरी हो गई, परंतु शीघ्र ही एक बकरी आई और उसको सारी हरी पत्तियां खा गई. Now the tree wished for gold leaves, but some thieves stole the gold leaves. तब देवदार पेड़ ने चाहा कि उसकी सारी पत्तियां सोने की हो जाए, परंतु उसकी सारी सोने की पत्तियों को कुछ चोर चुरा कर ले गए. Now he wished to have glass leaves because men do not steal them. अतः उसने बाद में पेड़ ने चाहा कि उसकी सारी पत्तियां कांच की हो जाए क्योंकि लोग कांच को या कांच की पत्तियां नहीं चुराते हैं. However, wind blew strongly and it broke all the glass leaves. लेकिन उसी रात हवा तेज बही और सभी कांच की पत्तियां टूट गई. Finally, the fir tree wanted to have its own needle-like leaves, and it was overjoyed to get them. अंत में उसने इच्छा व्यक्त की कि उसकी सारी पत्तियां पहले की तरह सुई जैसी नुकीली हो जाए. अगले दिन उसकी पत्तियां नुकीली हो गई और वह आकर पेड़ खुश हो गया. Word meaning: pretty, fairly, needles, accelerate, needles like, leaves, plural of leaf, gold, yellow brown color, stole, past tense of steal. Next word meaning from this story. Word number 1, magician. Meaning of magician: a person who performs magic tricks, जादूगर. Number 2, heavily. Meaning in large amounts, बहुत ज़्यादा. Third, pretty. Meaning lovely, good looking, प्यारा. Fourth, shelter. Meaning a safe place, refuge, एक सुरक्षित स्थान, शरण स्थल. Fir tree. Meaning a tree with thin leaves, पतली पत्तियों वाला एक पेड़, देवदार. Steal. Meaning to take belongings of others without asking, thieves, चुराना. Reward. Meaning something that is given for doing something good, prize, पुरस्कार. Wish. A feeling that you want something, इच्छा, अभिलाषा. Grant. Allow, इच्छा पूरी करना. Leaves. The green parts of a tree, पत्ते. Needles. Thin, long and very pointed, सुइयां. Woke up, got up. उड़ गया. Surprise. Meaning amazed, astonished, आश्चर्यचकित हो गया. Instead. Meaning in place of, इसके बदले. Shine, to be bright means चमकने लगे. Okay students, we will see the Hindi translation of this story. Shetty the magician was returning home. जादूगर शेट्टी घर लौट रहा था. When all of a sudden it began to rain. अचानक बारिश शुरू हो गई. It rained heavily. बारिश बहुत तेज हुई. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. शेट्टी बारिश से बचने के लिए इधर उधर अपने को बचाने के लिए ढूंढता रहा. He ran towards it as fast as he could. और उसे एक सुंदर छोटा देवदार का वृक्ष दिखाई दिया. वह तेजी से उसकी ओर भागा. Soon the rain stopped. शीघ्र ही बारिश बंद हो गई. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. शेट्टी खुश हुआ कि वह बारिश से जरा भी न भीगा था. Thank you. You have been kind to me. धन्यवाद, तुम मेरे प्रति स्नेही रहे. I would like to reward you. मैं तुम्हें पुरस्कार देना चाहूँगा. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. अपनी कोई 4 इच्छाएं बताओ और मैं उन्हें पूरी करूँगा. जादूगर बोला. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nest on it. दुखी दिख रहे देवदार वृक्ष की पत्तियां सुइयों जैसी थी और किसी पक्षी ने कभी उन पर अपना घोंसला नहीं बनाया था. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. इसलिए उसने कहा, मेरी इच्छा है कि मेरे बाकी मित्रों की तरह मेरी भी हरी हरी पत्तियां हो. Next morning, its wish was granted. अगली सुबह उसकी यह इच्छा पूरी कर दी गई. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. शीघ्र ही उसके पास एक बकरी घूमती हुई आई और उसने सारी हरी पत्तियां खा डाली. Oh dear, said the fir tree. ओ भाई, देवदार वृक्ष बोला. I wish I had gold leaves as goats do not eat gold leaves. काश मेरी पत्तियां सोने की होती क्योंकि बकरियां सोने की पत्तियां नहीं खाती. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, जब अगली सुबह छोटा देवदार वृक्ष जागा, it was surprised to see gold leaves. तो वह अपनी पत्तियों को सोने का पाकर चकित रह गया. How happy I am, it said. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उसने कहा. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. थोड़ी देर बाद उसके पास से कोई आदमी गुजरा और उसने उसकी सोने की पत्तियां चुरा ली. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. काश इसकी बजाय मेरी पत्तियां कांच की होती. लोग कांच नहीं चुराते. The next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. अगली सुबह चमकती धूप में उसकी कांच की पत्तियां भी चमकने लगी. How happy I am. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उसने कहा. It said, at night the wind blew. Ooh, ooh. All the glass leaves broke. रात होने पर हवा बहुत तेज चली और वृक्ष की सभी कांच की पत्तियां टूट गईं. No man, oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them. अरे भाई, देवदार वृक्ष ने कहा, मुझे अपनी पुरानी सुइयों जैसी पत्तियां ही सबसे अधिक पसंद है. No man can steal them, क्योंकि बकरियां भी उन्हें नहीं खाती और कोई आदमी उन्हें चुरा नहीं सकता। द विंड डू नॉट डू देम नो हार्म, हवा उन्हें कोई हानि नहीं पहुंचाएगी। द ट्री वेंट टू स्लीप, इसके बाद वृक्ष सो गया। When it woke up the next morning, जब वो अगली सुबह जागा, it had all its needles back again, तो उसकी सुइयों जैसी पत्तियां उसे वापस मिल गई थी। Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. Oh, मुझे कभी ऐसी खुशी नहीं मिली, छोटा देवदार वृक्ष बोला। Next is questions answer from this story. Reading is fun. Page number 27. Number 1. Tick the correct answer. A. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but option is a goat came along and ate them. Number 2. All the leaves got wet in rain. Number 3. A man stole them. Correct answer is a man stole them. B. The fir tree was sad. Option 1 because it had yellow leaves. Number 2 because it had needle-like leaves. Number 3 because it was very short. Option 2 is right because it had needle-like leaves. C. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Option 1 because the goats came and ate them up. Option 2 because the man stole them. Option 3 because the gold leaves broke. Option second is right answer because the man stole them. Number 2 word building, page number 28. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. I carry a light bag to school every day. Answer is I carry a heavy bag to school every day. B. Rina won the race. Rina lost the race. E. I love eating vegetables. Answer I hate eating vegetables. D. The glass of milk is full. Answer is the glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. Answer the old man is unwise. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding an or in. Happy, unhappy. Polite, impolite. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. The number 3 question. Rita loved her dog Sheru. Every day Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself, but one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Sheru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying. When she reached home, she got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. Give the opposite of the words in red. Rita hated her dog Sheru. Every day Sheru would come in the house and go back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked nowhere for him. Tears rolled up her cheeks. Sheru was found. He was everywhere to be found. Rita was laughing. When she reached home, she got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very sad. Let's write page number 29. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friends Raj. Then answer. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. Number 2. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle, like leaves, best for goats. Don't eat them, and no man can steal them. Answer. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle like leaves best. For goats, don't eat them, and no man can steal them. Now see the latest talk page number 30. Look at the pictures below. In the yellow box there are 8 things. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the 4 things that you can see. In box, ducks, dog, boy, fountain, mat, girl, tree, flowers. Answer. Ducks, trees, girl, boy. These are the 4 things. Now look at the pictures again. Describe the picture. Answer. We can see a small boy and girl. They have come for a picnic. They are sitting beside a pond on a mat. There are tiffins, bananas, and a ball on the mat. There is also a bird beside the mat. The place looks nice with green grass, flowers, trees, and pond. There is also a beautiful butterfly sitting on the flowers. Write words related to leaves on the trees and make a word tree. Now make sentences with these words. Draw a word tree yourself with the following words. Answer words related to leaves. Green, round, needle-like, thin, long, heart shape. Sentences. Number 1. Many plants have green leaves. Number 2. Some plants have round shaped leaves. Number 3. Fir tree has needle-like leaves. Number 4. Neem trees has thin leaves. Number 5. Banana trees has long leaves. Number 6. People tree has heart-shaped leaves. Thank you children. We will see the next exercise in next video. Thank you.